Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a business email with a free domain step by step. So let's get started. First, open the platform from the link provided and click on the sign up button. Now enter the domain name you want and click on search domain. If the domain is available, you will see it in the results. Once you see an available domain, click on use this domain. You will also see a note that it may be free for the first year depending on the plan you choose. Next, create your account. Enter your username, your personal email address, and set a strong password. Then click on Create Account to continue. After that, you will be asked to create your email address. You can choose any address or even your own name as the email prefix. Now set a password for your business email and click on Create Mailbox. Your main business email is now ready. You can also add team members if you want for your business team. If you don't need extra users, simply skip this step. Next, you will see suggested email roles. These are commonly used business emails and you can add them with one click. After that, you may see an option for a website builder. You can skip it if you only want email services and click Continue. Now choose your plan. Most platforms offer monthly or yearly plans, and sometimes the first period is free. Check storage and features before selecting. Once everything is set, you will land on your email dashboard where you can manage all your business communication just like Gmail.